Today I'm going to show you how to use the Wix AI website builder step by step in 2026. Because honestly, building websites has become much easier thanks to AI, and now people can create full websites without knowing how to code, which is one of the main reasons tools like Wix AI are becoming extremely popular. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the Wix AI website builder works, how to create your first website, and the most important features beginners should know in 2026 first. What is the Wix AI website builder? The Wix AI builder is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you create a website automatically. Instead of building everything manually, the AI asks questions about your business content style and goals. Then it generates a website layout for you, automatically, including pages, designs, colors, text sections, and basic structure. Now the first step, create your account. Go to the official Wix website, Wix official website, then sign up using your email, Google account, or other available login options. And honestly, the setup process is very beginner-friendly. Now, after creating your account, choose the AI website builder option. Wix normally gives you different ways to create a website, but for beginners, the AI builder is usually the easiest option. Now the next step, answer the AI questions. This is one of the most important parts because the AI uses your answers to generate the website. For example, it may ask, what type of website do you want? What is your business name? What style do you prefer? What features do you need? You simply answer the questions and the AI starts building the website automatically. Now, once the AI finishes, you'll see a complete website draft. And honestly, this surprises many beginners because the site already includes homepages, text sections, buttons, images, contact forms, and layouts automatically generated by AI. Now let's talk about editing, because even after the AI creates the website, you can still customize almost everything you can change. Text, images, fonts, colors, sections, buttons, backgrounds, and layouts simply by clicking on them. And honestly, this is what makes Wix so beginner-friendly, because you can visually edit everything without coding. Now, another important feature, AI text generation. Wix AI can help generate website text automatically. For example, business descriptions, service pages, headlines, or product information. This is very useful for beginners who do not know what to write on their website. Now let's talk about mobile optimization, because this is extremely important in 2026. Most visitors now come from phones, and Wix automatically optimizes websites for mobile devices. But honestly, you should still preview your website on mobile before publishing, just to make sure everything looks clean. Now another useful feature, adding apps and tools inside Wix. You can install extra features like online stores, booking systems, blogs, live chat, email marketing, and payment systems. This allows you to turn a simple website into a real business platform. Now let's talk about publishing. Once your website looks ready, click publish, and your website goes live online. Now something important beginners should know. The free version of Wix usually includes Wix branding and a Wix domain. If you want a professional custom domain like your website.com, you normally need a paid plan. Now, another important tip, do not overcomplicate your first website because honestly, many beginners try adding too many animations, colors, or sections, and the website ends up looking messy. Simple, clean websites usually perform much better, especially for businesses and creators. Now, let's be honest for a second. AI website builders are changing web design very quickly because people can now launch websites in hours instead of weeks. And honestly, for beginners, tools like Wix make website creation much less intimidating. So to wrap this up, if you want to use the Wix AI website builder in 2026, create your account. Choose the AI builder, answer the setup questions, customize the generated website, optimize it for mobile, and publish it once everything looks ready. Because honestly, building websites today is easier than ever thanks to AI.